Abdul Majid from AMX UAV. AMX UAV was founded in 2018. We are based in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. We focus on drone manufacturers and drone application services. Our team consists of me as the CEO and my partner Robiatul Ulhiyah as COO. Talking Industry 5.0, we talking about measurable action and efficiency. It means how to get an accurate data. Mapping drone is one of the tools that can generate a data. We can get orthophoto, 3D model, contour, tree counting, or even plant health. Aerial mapping mission is challenging. We offer a new solution, the AMX Vertic, a vertical takeoff and landing drone. Vertic main feature is capability to take off and landing from a narrow site. After reach safe altitude, Vertic going transition to fixed wing for more efficiency. Vertic is fully autonomous flight capable from takeoff to landing. We just need beginner level skill of operator. Vertic can fly up to 35 minutes, cover more than 250 hectares per flight. Vertic have multi-vehicle system feature. One ground control station can handle up to 4 drones. Our target are farming, plantation, and forestry companies, government agencies, and environmental and planning consultant. We offer Vertic $8,500 for a standard package including training and international shipping. We required $550,000 of funds or equal 15% equity for scaling up our production and manufacturing facility, setting up our international distributors, and for product development. Thank you.